We're ready to go ahead and set the base up against, towards the wall itself. I'm not going to push this all the way in like so because I'm not ready to do just that. It's going to be a little bit difficult to work on the sink itself and the drain line. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this up, set it here, and then angle everything that I need to have ready to rock and roll there. Okay, there's a few things we need to do before we can actually connect everything. I want to make sure, first off, that the end of my drain does not exceed the bevel on the P-trap here. So ideally what I want to do is push everything, the pedestal up in here, lift this up, set it straight down into the drain itself, and then we're ready to go. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is measure the bottom of my drain, and the bottom is at 19 1/4. So I take my measurement and go over here, and at 19 1/4 I am just above the end of the bevel. So this will sit in here correctly. I went ahead and put my rubber gasket on, and then the washer on before. So that's ready to go. So all I have to do is just take it and set it up, and then just push it straight down and tighten it once I've set this. Now, this is a children's bathroom that I'm working in. It's a commercial setting, and so what I have to do is be very, very careful. If it was all adults, I would probably go ahead and set it in there and tighten everything up, and we'd be okay. And then at the bottom, I would drill through the concrete flooring and set the pedestal, and I think we'd be okay. But because this is a children's bathroom, I'm going to go ahead and access through these openings in the very back and drill through the tile and the cinder block and then set everything with a toggle bolt and some washers to ensure that this stays up against and snug up against the wall. So in order to do that, what I've done is just taken a kind of a measurement. The most I can have is about 6 inches. So I'm okay there. And I'm going to find center. So obviously with the drain line, that's going to be the center here. I'm a little offset from the tile, and that's not going to matter at all. So what I'm going to do is set from the center of the drain line, go straight up by my midline, and then do 3 inches on either side. Take a masonry drill through the tile and through the cinder block to make sure that everything's set, and then put washers on the heads of the toggle bolt and put that on the inside so that braces it where it won't fall out, and then just tighten everything up, and then we're ready to go. Okay, as you can see here, what I've done is just found the middle of the drain, went up on the wall, beveled everything, make sure it's in line and straight there. Then I went ahead and intersected that line and drew what I needed to draw there to get my straight line across here. Now I take my measurement, put 3 on the tape on the line that's vertical, and then I go across and mark 1 and then 6. So at those points right here, 1 and 6, is where I'm going to make, where I'm going to drill the holes for this to set into. What I have here is a mason's bit, and then I put this on my cordless drill, tighten everything up, and we're ready to go here. So just apply a little bit of pressure, get it started, make sure you're trying to get it started around the center.
This is Rick Patterson with the Handyman Toolbox. By the way, before you go, I want to encourage you to check out my other videos, and you'll see a link below. Click on it. The 1,000th person that subscribes to thehandymantoolbox.com gets a free tool. Go ahead and register now. See you there.